To start things off, some parts were broken off the runners. You must be extra careful not to lose the tiny parts. Overall, everything was complete. You can skip the build process with the timestamp below. RX-93 Gundam's pilot, a Muro Ray. Painting the mini pilot is one of the best parts in MG Gundams. I also applied the included decals to the kit, following the manual so you can see how it should look. And to protect the decals and paint, I sprayed clear coat on the kit. Sadly, the raw video was corrupted. I painted the eyes, and only applied red paint on the arm and leg joints, plus the moving piston on the knee. The clear effects details are cool. It's a foldable, so try not to cut the middle. But the effects do not fit into the fin funnels, and is quite annoying. To fix this, you'll just have to cut off a portion of the effect. It should look shorter, like this. Just try not to cut off too much of the effect. And there you go. It's just a little inconvenient. At least it's fixed. Detail of each body parts connected with each joint. The joint is tight and durable, but it could be due to the clear coat, so I'm not too sure. LED lights are not included. You can buy them separately. Straight built on the left, and applied decals, paint, and coating on the right. Decals and clear coat really changes a kit drastically. Head is on a ball joint. Arms have a good range. Almost 180 degrees bend. Fingers can individually articulate. It's good aesthetically, but annoying as time pass by, since it can easily come off, and will loosen over time. Awesome piston details in the knee, and a beautiful spread. Chest opens up. Shoulders opens up. Arms shows inner frame. Customizable waist armor. Extra thrusters. I forgot to record, but legs opens up. Calves opens up. And the feet opens up. The base was black and bland. So, I sprayed gold to make it shine a bit, yet subtle. Awesome clear effects. And with it fixed, it's an ease putting them in the fin funnels. Very customizable wings, since it has a lot of freedom on connecting with other fins. You can create different style that you want. No matter how you do it is up to you. And easily snaps on the backpack.